I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Move. Today, guys, we are continuing with the UK versus US war we are going. Lyrical war, lyrical feud, of course. USA is rapping. UK is putting out grime tracks. Big difference. UK people, the artists in the UK that's dropping these tracks, the production team need to make sure they put subtitles on so the people in USA can read what you guys are saying. Because you guys speak so fast, people are not understanding what you're saying because it's grime. If it was rap, if it was somebody like Gigs or somebody like that, we could understand exactly. They could understand exactly what Gigs is saying. When you guys are doing the grime, they're not, because the pace is so fast. Next thing, UK, on the need to start shoot after different people. Start aiming at different people apart from Jonah Lucas. Go to somebody else. Aim at somebody else who you think is already opponent. We see Big Zur aim after Eminem, but M is not going to answer that. We know M is not going to answer that. That would be a miracle if M answered that. But yeah, UK people, you guys need to aim your rifles at different people. Yes. All right? So I'm going to jump in the one and say, Wagwan, let's go. Scorcher, Duppy, Smila, Kruz, Leone. Hope I'm saying your name right. And with lineup, which is a JOYNER and DEM and DISS. Let's go. See the man them outside. Very clean.
UK, London team.
The UK versus USA talk seems to be a thing. Yeah?
Mine's flying.
Mine's flying. This ain't for them to understand. Why is it not for them to understand? You guys need to let them understand so they put respect on your name to know that you have fire. So this ain't for them to understand. Alright. And it says fuck Jonah. Alright. Alright. So this have to demand them. Alright, cool. Them man.
I love her, that cool. I respect.
I'm telling man, line up, come and get bang up. Could ever be me a brother, one style up. One this man, I wanna come smile up. I let off this bang, see the pussy, then pile up. Line him, I make a guy line him. Left him unconscious and make a man find him. I heard you knew shit.
Make a guy line him. Left him unconscious, make a man find him. Alright, Scorcher. Alright, Scorcher.
I respect.
I'm telling man, line up, come and get bang up. Could ever be me a brother, one style up. One this man, I wanna come smile up. I let off this bang, see the pussy, then pile up.
Hey!
Line him, I make a guy line him. Left him unconscious and make a man find him. I heard you knew shit, kinda like my thing. I heard you knew shit. Look, Skywalk, I'm that dude. Catch man in a set with some bad youths. Yeah, the rap boys love with designer. Go and get a refund by stab. Oh, that tactical vest ain't got enough placing. Put the knife down, man, will probably get wet. Rush man and ain't made him a patient. When I rush man, you hear do. That's a chop in the sky, can't guy need to see.
When I rush man, you hear Binds.
Skywalk, I'm that dude. Catch man in a set with some bad youths. Yeah, the rap boys love with designer. Go and get a refund by stab. Oh, that tactical vest ain't got enough placing. Put the knife down, man, will probably get wet. Rush man and ain't made him a patient. When I rush man, you hear do. That's a chop in the sky, can't guy need saving. Ain't he straightened? Play me's dangerous. You should MC over there where safe. I'll be the next chief with a case on a major. I'm dogs with top 3 and ain't free when it comes to this. And it's humbleness. Man,
You see like this? Everyone in the UK know what he's saying. Everyone in the UK know what he's saying who is about that grime life. But the people them in America, them don't understand, bro. They don't understand.
Rush man and ain't made him a patient. When I rush man, you hear do. That's a chop in the sky, can't guy need saving. Ain't he straightened? Play me's dangerous. You should MC over there where safe. I'll be the next chief with a case on a major. I'm dogs with top 3 and ain't free when it comes to this. And it's humbleness. Man, I lucky right now, I just come to stick. Or we can make it go left, bro. I come with breezes like, yeah. Man, I have to start badding up them. How you bust kids? Something ain't adding up, friend. Head look a rapper like Tanner.
Man say, yo, your boss case. Remember, say we see up on the first 48 I tell police everything. Something now add up. You're informer. You're leaking. You are leaking like a pipe that doesn't turn off well. That is what you're leaking. Water Commission is looking at you.
When it comes to this, and it's humbleness. Man, I like you right now, I just come to stick, or we can make it go left, bro. I come with breezes like, yeah. Man, I have to start badding up them. Hey, bus kids, something ain't adding up, friend. Ain't look a rapper like Tanner and them. You seen the bit of Santana and them, you get dragged up and chill. Bad up on film, bad super gang, catch a claret on spill. Keep talking like the man is not real. Go watch Jaruba what happened in ill, like, all of that shit.
Man say, go and go ask Jarul what happened in ill. Go and ask Jarul. Jarul, they fucked that. Did they rap Jarul? I think they did rap. Right?
On spill. Keep talking like the man is not real. Go watch Jaruba what happened in ill, like, all of that shit in your yard. You're an MC, you ain't hard. In the ends, here you got barred. Big man bar style, talk them a like big man bar said, talk them a talk. My boy wants survive, they want them for what? Before your people let my ball in a crowd. Then boy they love me, talk to the wall. Tell them line up, come and get bang up. Could they ever be near brother one style up? Want this man, they wanna come smile up. I let off this bang, see the pussy then pile up. Line him, I make it get line him. Left him unconscious, I make a man find him. I heard your new shit, kinda like my thing. I heard your new shit,
kinda like my thing.
Figure that it's tea and crumpets. Tea for the trap set, taste not punkin'.
The man who get buying up, the mother feels here tea and crumpet. Can I have a cup of tea? And that over here, so pussy. Gunshot here, get binds. Binds.
Line him, I make it get line him. Left him unconscious, I make a man find him. I heard your new shit, kinda like my thing. I heard your new shit,
kinda like my thing.
But tea and crumpet. Tea for the trap set, taste not punkin'. No DM when they put it on 100. You got best snitches in your function. Make man take a long way home. Can't come run here, pick up your Jim Jones.
You can't come around yourself by yourself, by your own, bro. Furthermore, when you check in, you better check in with the right people, them. You know that? Yeah, that is what he's saying to the guys over across the waters. Not me.
Tea and crumpets, tea for the trap set, taste not punkin'. No DM when they put it on 100. You got best snitches in your function. Make man take a long way home. Can't come run here, pick up your Jim Jones. Bet like facts when you walk for the zone. It's sweet to the sweets, get ring like a phone. It's Duppy, done this shit on my own. Then cut with the killing says stop. You ain't got heart, we really take things in the pot. Then hit a man up, now we did a cheap bar. Kick him in his head and make him say blood clot. Set man's head back over the wall.
Come in a foreign.
Kick him in him head and make him say blood clot.
A man up, now we did a cheap bar. Kick him in his head and make him say blood clot. Set man's head back over the wall.
Send man head back over the wall. Over the wall. Push your AK over the wall. Elephant man, big up.
Done this shit on my own, then cut with the killing says stop. You ain't got heart, we really test things in the pot. Then hit a man up, now we did a cheap bar. Kick him in his head and make him say blood clot. Set man's head back over the wall. But you wanna come uptown and flex with your young say cheat in the air.
I tell a boy, line up, show when we glide up. Remember Ja Rule got his time, bro. Tana grab Santa, that's a mine up. Kill it from 1-7, so try us. You wanna like my nigga, run with decks with a ladder, so don't rap my jenna. Greatness, KTM or scrap my nigga. North where we set place and trap my nigga. But Jonah, you ain't even frank, my nigga, you're a talker. No rats alive, my nigga, free fat boy. Out of the camp, my nigga, we get fizzy when it's busy, no we tap my nigga. Them yanks ain't near to the truth, ADHD with a red tear in the booth.
So where is the next guy that's supposed to be in the video? Why is Kruz not in the video? Is Kruz in the video? Cause he's not rapping. Like he's not doing what Duppy and Scorcher just did. Where him there?
Busy when it's busy, no we tap my nigga. Them yanks ain't near to the truth, ADHD with a red tear in the booth. Most yanks don't know one thing of the truth. Fuck them doors, get them spun like Kruz. See them man, they're just bad on their block. When they reach you, they get bad up and rock.
Yeah.
Anytime we see them man in the ends, send a white ends to go stab up that watch. I'm from London, man get stabbed.
We'll say when you see me power ends, we send a white, you go grab your things and say, yo, take this, my one, give me, thank you very much, you are welcome. See you later, alligator, bye.
Come in a foreign. Fuck them doors, get them spun like Kruz. See them man, they're just bad on their block. When they reach UK, they get bad up and rock.
Yeah, you just bad on your block, you're bad around your friend them or you grow with pussy. Not found a friend killer. That is what Kruz is saying, not me. I didn't say that.
Doors, get them spun like Kruz. See them man, they're just bad on their block. When they reach UK, they get bad up and rock. Anytime we see them man in the ends, send a white ends to go stab up that watch. I'm from London, man get stabbed up and shot. It's fine anytime man grab up that Glock. Call them with safe for security and bodyguards. Man, they shot his blast, take off 2 body parts.
Pussy, you think you're safe with security and bodyguard? Eh? You think you're safe with security? We're not afraid that security are bodyguard, bro. Fuck you talk about. That is what he's saying, not me.
Them man in the ends, send a white ends to go stab up that watch. I'm from London, man get stabbed up and shot. It's fine anytime man grab up that Glock. Call them with safe for security and bodyguards. Man, they shot his blast, take off 2 body parts. Said this one, I said, okay son, time to do a rapper like old Trey 1. Yeah, they got tunes, but we don't play none. I be in a trap to the cocaine done. Pussy must have
Yeah, they got you, but we don't play none. I'll be in the trap till the cocaine done. So the matter is, yo, they're all about their money. They're about this trap shit, bro.
Man, they shot it blast, take up 2 body parts. Kept saying this one, I said, okay, son. Time to do a rapper like old Trey One. Yeah, they got tunes, but we don't play none. I be in the trap till the cocaine done. Pussy was a boy, was a Kendrick and a Drake piece. I'm a step up, press about like 10 keys. This is TM biscuits, this is straight grease. Should've cannon, I rapper like I'm say cheese.
Shout out to my nigga Jim Jones, Dan 4-5 Jim Jones, yeah. And I ain't talking the state Jim Jones, I'm talking Brixton Jim Jones. Dan don't say come home. Now you can become your Jim Jones. Yes.
Big up your Jim Jones. Alright. UK has spoken once again. So we see America drop what? One track from Jonah Lucas. And UK run out with a bag of track already. We are waiting from someone from the USA to answer and say, yo, what is what? You get me? We are waiting for that. What is what? Once again, I'm quite disappointed about not having the subtitle on this. Yes, the track is fire. I get it. I understand it. But will the US audience understand it? I don't know. I understand it though. Next thing, subtitles, guys. Please make sure to put your subtitles so people can read what you're saying, bro. Because you guys are spitting, bro. But the man needs to understand what I said, dog. You see me? Yeah. I would love to see a rapper, a UK rapper, a genuine rapper jump in this clash though. Like a rapper, not a grime, like a rapper. Jump in this class. Chip, also where you there? Where you there? You're not run out. You're not run out and chat to thing. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this one though. I can already see the Americans in the comment section saying boo. I see it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section and I'll catch you guys down there, man. Peace.
Yeah, Rust game, but I review your feisty dog. If feisty you fall.